Okay, so we have a couple of questions here. The first one says that we have a coin that's tossed 3 times. Let's go ahead and make note of the fact that we're tossing this coin 3 times. And we want the probability of getting all heads. We want to express our answer as fraction or decimal to 3 decimal places. Okay, well, we can do this. Let's go ahead and start writing on our screen here. Okay. So the first thing that we want to make sure that we understand is that it's 3 times. So let's go ahead and do our tree here. So the first time that we work, we could get a heads or a tails, right? Then the second time we work, we could get a heads or a tails, or a heads or a tails. The third time we go, we could get a heads or a tails, a heads or a tails, a heads or a tails, or a heads or a tails. Okay. Now, what we are interested in is getting all heads. At what point are we getting all heads? Well, let's look here. So, in this sequence, we got all heads, right? In this sequence, we did not. 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 So we only got all heads once. So our total of that we had received was 1. And we had a bunch of different combinations here, but our total number of combinations are this bottom. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we received 1 all heads out of a total of 8. So our total here is 1 over 8. That's our probability. It should be like 0.125 or something like that, or 12.5%. Because remember, whenever I move my, when I turn to a percent, I move my decimal place 2 places over. Okay, so that is the answer to this question. We'll create another video with the next question.